Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Zarina from Tinkerbell in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this brown color and you're going to put on this item and toggle it 3 and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and the next one we're going to select this corset and we're going to make the corset black. Wait, let me choose the black color for the first selection and for the next selection as well. I'm just going to make it black like this. Okay, except the lace, I'm going to make it white. Oops, sorry. I collect the item that I don't want to put on. Okay, and then I'm going to select the sleeves. And for the sleeves, I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, I'm just going to color it with this color for all the previews or the selection. Okay, and then I'm going to select this heels. And I'm going to make it knee length. Alright, and then let's move to the next area. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this skirt. We can choose the skirt only, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, I'm going to make it black like this. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to move to the VIP room because we need some items from there. Okay, I'm going to choose this dress and then I'm going to color it with the black color. Alright, done. And I'm going to select the sword for the accessory. Okay, and then I'm going to select this jellyfish dress. The jellyfish skirt. Okay, just color it like this for all the selection. And I'm going to choose this boot from the VIP room. Okay, and the next one, we're going to select the wings and then I'm going to make it this color. I'm going to make it this color for first selection until the third selection. Sorry guys, I forgot one more item. You need to put on this belt and then you're going to color it with this color. Wait, let me show you the color code. Okay, you can color it with this red color for the first selection and then you're going to do little adjustment. Okay, I'm going to show you the adjustment for this belt. You can scale it like this and position it like this and rotate it like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Zarina from Tinkerbell. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.